Welcome to the Alchemeister's Records. This time, we'll craft a hamburger worthy of the hero king of Uruk and fries as powerfully delicious as his best mate, Enkidu. Like they fought each other fiercely in their younger days, they found great companionship through their strife, and over time, they came to respect one another. The perfect combination, just like this hamburger and fries. To begin, we'll make buns as magnificent as the ancient city of Uruk to hold the eminence of the hero king's burger. For this, we'll use the same ratio of Gilgamesh's divinity to 2/3 cup of warm milk, add 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix well and let rest for a few minutes. In a bowl, add 320 grams of strong flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. The herbs will give a great contrast to the mellow flavor of the bread, making them befitting of the name of Uruk. Once the yeast potion has produced bubbles on the surface, make a well in the center of the flour and pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil along with the yeast potion. Mix well and knead for a few minutes. Once all the flour has been hydrated and the dough has taken a sticky consistency, form a ball with it and release your hands of dough by rubbing them together with some flour. Lastly, take some olive oil and massage the dough to cover it completely. Then let it ferment for half an hour, covered in a warm and sacred place like the ziggurat. In the meantime, we'll prepare the fries and meat for the burgers. Slice 2 or 3 medium potatoes into wedges. Sprinkle with salt and pepper and toss them to fully cover them with the heavenly chain of flavor. Lay them down on their flat side in a tray, pour enough oil to cover the bottom of the tray, and bake them in the oven at 160 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. After 15 minutes, take them out, flip them once, and return them. Once they have a golden color and look crispy, our chains of the heaven fries are done. For the Gilgamesh burgers, first we'll stir fry the vegetables. In a frying pan, heat olive oil over high heat. Add onion and bell pepper. Dice mushrooms and shredded carrot. Season to taste. Once all the vegetables are tender, remove from the heat, set aside, and let cool in the king's treasury. To form the hero king's burgers, season to taste 600 grams of ground beef. Add finely minced garlic, freshly grated ginger, chopped cilantro leaves, and the vegetables. Mix well and add a few splashes of Worcestershire Sauce for a touch of arrogance, as no king is without it. Then add half cup of bread crumbs and half cup of unsweetened yogurt. Mix truly with your hands and form the patties with most pride. Once the dough has doubled in size, take it out, divide it into 6 portions and shape them into circles. Let them rest for around 10 more minutes and bake them at 160 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once they have a slight tan color, take them out and let cool. In a skillet, heat half tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Cook the burger for about 3 minutes per side. Then turn off the heat, crown with a slice of cheese and let it melt. Open the gate of Babylon and slice open a bun magnificently like King Gilgamesh would. Spread mayonnaise over one half and avocado over the other. Take a burger and place it over the bun as the king reposes on the throne of the ziggurat. Add vegetables of choice like tomato, lettuce and such. Season to taste and assemble the hamburger. As a loyal vassal of the hero king, you surely would not disappoint in the arrangement of the hamburger based on his glory. Serve with a side of Enkidu Fries. The companionship of burger and fries is an undeniable truth, just like Gilgamesh and Enkidu's friendship, the greatest duo of Mesopotamia. Before indulging in this kingly feast, let us shout in unison with Ea, Enuma, Delish! For more mystical and delicious meals, like, subscribe, share and comment. Until the next record, alchemy will light your path to a delicious life.